Looking for an honest Wayin AI review before you sign up? You're in the right place. Wayin AI is getting attention for helping creators generate AI-powered content faster. But is it actually worth your time and money? In this Wayin AI review, I'll walk you through its features, pricing, strengths, weaknesses, and who should use it. Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's begin by visiting the official Wayin AI website. Create a free account using your email or Google account, then log in to access the dashboard. The setup process is simple, making it easy for beginners to start using the platform within a few minutes. Once you're inside, you'll find a clean interface with AI-powered tools designed to speed up your workflow. Depending on the feature you're using, Wayin AI can help generate content, improve productivity, automate repetitive tasks, and simplify creative projects. The dashboard is well organized, so you don't need any technical experience to get started. One of the biggest strengths highlighted in this Wayin AI review is its ease of use. Most tasks only require a short prompt, and the AI generates results within seconds. If you're a content creator, marketer, freelancer, or small business owner, this can save a significant amount of time compared to doing everything manually. Another feature worth mentioning is the platform's customization. Instead of accepting the first result, you can refine your prompts, regenerate responses, and adjust outputs until they match your requirements. This flexibility makes Wayin AI more useful for real-world projects than tools that only provide a single response. Performance is generally fast, and the interface remains responsive, even when working on larger projects. However, like most AI tools, the quality of the output depends heavily on the quality of your prompt. More detailed instructions usually produce better results. Now let's talk about pricing. At Wayin AI, it typically offers a way for new users to explore the platform before committing to a paid subscription. Higher tier plans generally provide increased usage limits, additional AI features, and faster processing. Before subscribing, it's a good idea to compare the available plans and choose the one that fits your workload. No Wayin AI review would be complete without mentioning a few drawbacks. Some advanced capabilities may only be available on premium plans, and you may occasionally need to edit AI-generated content to better match your personal style or business requirements. So, is Wayin AI worth using? If you're looking for an AI productivity tool that helps you create content faster and automate parts of your workflow, Wayin AI is definitely worth considering. It combines an easy-to-use interface with practical AI features that can benefit creators, marketers, entrepreneurs, and professionals who want to work more efficiently. If this Wayin AI review helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI reviews and tutorials, and let me know which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.